Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful body butter that you can use for your skin. This butter is made from infused mango oil. Body butter will help to stimulate production of collagen. It contains vitamin E and A. It will help to relieve dry skin, nourish your skin, and also improve your skin complexion. So stay tuned. Make this body butter. I'll be making use of dried mango that I've cut into smaller pieces. I added it into the jar, add enough oil. You can check out my video on how to make this mango or infused mango oil. So after about 2 weeks, I will strain to get the oil. At this stage, all the nutrient from the mango has infused into the oil. You can see the color of the oil. The reason why I use dried mango is because I don't want to add any preservative and I don't want any liquid into this body butter. I'm going to store it in a container. You can now use the mango oil for your skin or for your hair. So to make the body butter, I'll be making use of shea butter and cocoa butter. You can make use of coconut oil. So I have 1 tablespoon of each. You can customize this by using coconut oil or any butter of your choice. So I'm going to melt the butter. I will add hot water into the bowl. Place the bowl that contains the butter and allow it to melt slowly. When the butter have melted, I will set aside. This body butter, you will need more oil than the butter. So it's just 60% of the oil and 40% of the butter. So I'm going to add infused mango oil into a bowl. Then I will add the melted cocoa butter and shea butter mixture. When I'm done adding, I'm going to stir so that it will mix properly. Then I'm going to cover it and keep it in the fridge to solidify. After about 3 hours, I'm going to bring out from the fridge and I will whisk it up until the color and the texture have changed to creamy and fluffy texture. At this stage, you can notice that the texture have changed. I'll start by adding lavender oil. Feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. I just added like 10 drops of lavender oil. I'm also going to make use of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize your skin, treat any fine lines and minimize appearance of scars. Like half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So I'm going to whisk until well combined. I'm not going to whisk this for a long time. And for this video, I'm not going to add any preservative because there is no water in this butter. And try to avoid water in your jar or hand. There is no water involved. That is why I will not add preservative. I just want it natural. But if you want to add any preservative of your choice, you are free to do that. When I'm done whisking, I'm going to stop. So I'm going to add the whisk cream into a plastic bag so that I can easily transfer it into a container. Please make sure that you are using a clean and dried container. I'll be transferring the butter into a container. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this body butter. You can use this body butter for your skin. It will help to stimulate collagen production, soothe dry skin, nourish and tighten your skin, and also improve your skin complexion. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.